Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5 BA24 and we are want to presentation about techniques for studying the cell in biochemistry. So, let me introduce ourselves. First is me, Christina Sintauli Lumban Gaol, with the three last digit number is 050 and my partner.
Hello, my name is Alvina Nazma and my last digit number is 100.
Hi, I'm Ivana Ruswiani Filazari and last digit number 1, 2, and 1.
Hello everyone, my name is Tadindra Prasetya with the three last digit number 132.
Hello, my name is Hafan Syamwarafat Siddiq and the three last digit number 152.
In this presentation, we will learn about the one is definition of biochemistry, two definition of cellular and monocellular biology, three urgency, and four components that makes up cells. 5 is structure and function of cell, 6 is cell metabolism, 7 is study case, and 8 is reference. So, next is
Okay, I will explain what is biochemistry. Biochemistry is the science that studies the chemistry of living organisms, focusing on the structure, function, and interaction of biological molecules such as protein, RNA, DNA, sugar, and lipid. Next, and what is cellular and molecular biology? Cell and molecular biology is study of the structure, function of organism and biological process at the level of cells and the macromolecule that define them. Next, agency study biochemistry and cell molecular biology. Number 1 is they drive biotech, one of the fastest growing industry. The bioeconomy is exploding, mRNA tech, synthetic biology, AI drug discovery. These all demand deep knowledge of biomolecule and how cells work. Number 2, they are essential to fighting global health crisis. When COVID-19 showed us that the world needs experts who understand viral replication, immune response, and drug development, all molecular level phenomena. Next
is components that make up cells. 1 is cell membranes. The cell membrane is a thin layer that separates the inside of the cell from the external environment. 2, cytoplasm. This is a thick fluid inside the cell where organelles are located. 3, nucleus. The nucleus or cell core is the largest organelle containing DNA. 4, nucleolus. The nucleolus is a spheral structure inside the cell nucleus. 5, mitochondria. Mitochondria are organelles that produce ATP energy through cellular respiration. Next. 6, ribosomes. Ribosomes are small granular organelle. 7, endoplasmic reticulum. The cell membrane is a thin layer that separates the inside of the cell from the external environment. 8, Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is a stack of flat sacs. 9, lysosomes. Lysosomes are sacs containing hydrolytic enzyme. 10, vacuoles. The vacuoles in plants function to store food reserves. 11, plastids. Plastids are organelles that contain chloroplast, chromoplast, and nucleoplast. 12, cell wall. The cell wall is the outer layer of the cell membrane which is rigid and composite of cellulose. Next.
Okay, the next is biochemistry in the structure and function of cell organelles. First of all, cell core or nucleus. The site of DNA, genetic information, storage, and RNA synthesis. The transcription process produces mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA. Number 2, endoplasmic reticulum. That two have two types of endoplasmic reticulum are the rogue endoplasmic reticulum that ribosome synthesize proteins, especially export or membrane proteins. Proteins are injected directly into the ER for modification. Disulfide bond formation by the enzyme disulfide isomerase. Smooth ER, side lipid synthesis, phospholipid steroids drug detoxification. And the 3, Golgi apparatus. Modification of protein lipids that ER modification process include glycosylation, classification, and formation of vesicle for distribution to target sites, lysosome, plasma membrane, or secretory. Next. And number 4 is lysosome. Fusion with endocytic, vesicle, or autophagosome allow the discussion of organic material, enzymes such as protease, lipase, and nuclease, break down the proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum, site of cellular respiration ATP production, important process, include Krebs cycle, electron transport change, and oxidative phosphorylation. And number 6 is chloroplast, that organelles can found only in a plant cell, site of photosynthesis, important process, like phase and dark phase. Next. And number 7 is peroxisome, carrying out the redox reaction, fatty acids into short fatty acids and detoxifications into water by the enzyme catalyst. And the number 8 is cytoplasm and cytoskeleton. Is a basic metabolism reaction such as glycolysis in the cytosol and protein synthesis in the ribosome. And then transport actin and tubulin aid the movement and vesicle and organelles via motor proteins.
Next is cell metabolism. So, cellular metabolism is all the chemical reactions that occur within cell to sustain life. This reaction involves two main pathways. So, we can see in the picture is the process of cell metabolism. Next is anabolism and catabolism. What is anabolism? Anabolism is building complex molecules. Example is synthesis of proteins, DNA, and lipids. In the picture, we can see the anabolism process like this, and the catabolism is breaking down complex molecular into simple ones to produce energy. Example is glycolysis, Krebs cycle, oxidative phosphorylation, and the main energy products is usually in the form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate.
I can explain in biochemistry and understanding of cell metabolism is applied in many areas. For example, and we can have 3 examples in here. So the one, medicine and health, understanding metabolic disorders such as diabetes mellitus, cause metabolism or PKU, phenylketonuria, development of drugs that target specific metabolic pathways, such as anti-cancer drugs that inhibit glycolysis in cell. And number 2, biotechnology, and is a manipulation of microorganism cells, metabolic produce valuable products such as ethanol, fermentations, productions of recombinant insulins, antibiotics, and essential amino acids, metabolism, altering the metabolic pathways of bacteria, or react to more offensive products, biofuels, or pharmaceutical compounds. And the last, agriculture, studying photosynthesis metabolism to increase crop yields, engineering stress-resistant plants. We have the ages, salinity, or drug, regulating energy metabolism, and osmoprotectants.
The next is study case. There are several case studies can be viewed from the source below. There's one from Kustiawati and Mshari and Haryati. That's control of efek fermentasi dengan Saccharomyces cerevisiae. And then number 2 is from Amelia and Rahmanisa from University Lampung. That topic is biology molecular. And then number 3 from Maus and Suryani, Panjaitan, Sofiana. That topic is biology molecular from Megapress Nusantara. The next, there's some reference from the theory before. First, there are some link video that help you to study about the biochemistry and the cell biology. And the next, that's all the presentation from our group. Thank you for watching until the end. And the last but not least, I have a pantun, and here is it. The bird sings, the river flows, the sun high, and the sky so white. How much you learn, nobody knows. Thanks for joining this learning ride. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.